Introducing Tornado's BR Vario II Cylindrical Brush Floor Scrubber, delivering compact, powerful micro-scrubbing action. The BR Vario II comes ready to operate right out of the box. Simply place the handle on the unit and insert the star screw. Tighten the star screw to secure the handle and you're ready to operate the machine. No tools are necessary to install the cylindrical brushes. Just tilt the unit back and place the quick release brushes on the unit. The use of cylindrical brushes conserves natural resources including water, solution, and source materials. A variety of brushes are available for any cleaning application. Increase your productivity with a large 2.5-gallon solution tank. The solution tank is easy to fill, empty, and clean. The BR Vario II is so convenient. The unit handle folds down for easy storage. The transport wheels are easily removed when you are ready to operate the Vario II. Rest the wheels in the onboard storage on the handle of the unit. Once you're done working in an area, just place the wheels back on the Vario II and move to your next location. The BR Vario II has an easy-to-understand control system with an ergonomic handle. Two 16-inch counter-rotating cylindrical brushes tackle uneven floor surfaces more efficiently than traditional disc pads. With counter-rotating brushes and squeegees, there is no splashing or overspray. The BR Vario II cleans right up to the wall, eliminating edge and detail cleaning by hand. The handle pivots to allow easy operation in a straight line, side to side, on a diagonal, or in a multitude of directions. The onboard solution tank allows the operator to dispense cleaning solution during operation. The BR Vario II provides low-profile cleaning so you can reach under restroom partitions, benches, tables, and furniture where other floor machines can't reach. Increased contact pressure up to 6 times higher than traditional floor machines and brush speeds of 650 RPMs is ideal for the challenging cleaning environments of kitchens, locker rooms, bathrooms, and shop floors. The BR Vario II generates less environmental waste. Cylindrical brush scrubbing is perfect for uneven floor surfaces including quarry tile, grouted tile, and brick paver.